Mathematics for class 10, unit number 5, sets and functions, exercise 5.2, question number 4. Verify De Morgan's law for the following sets. First part of question number 4, universal set is equal to x such that x belongs to n and 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 20. It means that this set contains first 20 numbers of natural numbers, set of natural numbers. A is a subset of universal set. Set A contains element 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 12, 13 and 17, and set B is also a subset of universal set having elements 1, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14, 17 and 18. Now we have to solve the De Morgan laws for these sets. We have De Morgan laws for any two sets A, B which are subsets of U. First, A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement, and second law is A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement universal set, A complement union B complement. Now we have to solve these by given functions. First we have A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. First we have to solve A union B and then find A union B complement. Set A have elements 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 12, 13 and 17. Union set B have elements 1, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14, 17 and 18. And their union set contains all elements, occurs only once. All elements of both sets 1, 2, we arrange them in ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, and then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 is again missing, 17 and 18. These are all elements of A union B. Now we have to find A union B complement. A union B complement means universal set minus A union B. It means all elements of universal set not common with A union B. So we have observed that this set contains all elements including 1 and 20 of natural numbers, and these elements also, it means A union B is a subset of universal set. So we compare one by one. We observe that those elements which are missing in this set is contained in complement set. So we write them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and next 15, 16, 17, 18 excluded, and then 19 and 20. These are the elements of A union B whole complement. Next we have to find A complement. Set A complement means universal set minus set A. All elements of universal set not included set A. So this is set A. We count one by one and write in A complement. 1 is not included in set A, so this is the member of set A complement. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. That's all the elements of set A complement. Now similarly, set B complement contains all elements of universal set not containing in set B. So we have these are elements of set B. These are elements of set B. So we have to find or write comparing one by one. 1 is element of set B, so it is not an element of B complement. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19, 20. These are the elements of B complement. So we have to find A complement intersection B complements, all elements common with these both sets. A complement intersection B complement, we have to write these two sets here. A complement have elements 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19 and 20. Intersection set B have elements, B complement have elements 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 19 and 20. And these sets have some common elements. So we compare one by one which are common. One by one we compare our elements of both sets, A complement and B complement, and which are common we write in next set and which are not common we ignore them. 1 is not common, we ignore 4. Similarly 3, 5, 6, 8, 9. 10 is not common, 14 is not common, 15 is common. So we write it here 16 and 19 and 20. These are the common elements in both sets. So we write it here in this set. We observe that equation number 1 and equation number 2 having same elements by 1 and 2. We have left hand side is equal to right hand side. A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement, and that's the proof of one theorem. And we have to find the other theorem, A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. We have to find the other part, other De Morgan's law for these sets. A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. A intersection B is equal to, we have set A and set B and we have to find their intersection, the only common elements in both sets. We check them one by one and observe that this is only common element, which is 17. So we write it here. Next we have to find A intersection B whole complement. It means universal set minus A union B, this set. So universal, all elements of universal set minus the elements of A union B. We have elements of universal set 1, 2 up to 20 are elements including are elements of natural number including 1 and 20 minus 17. This is set A intersection B. So we have set including elements 1, 2, 3 up to 16, and 17 is not included, and then 18, 19 and 20. Next we have to find A complement union B complement. We have already find A complement and B complement in the other part of De Morgan's law. We write it as well as it is in this question. A complement have elements 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19 and 20. Union set B complement have elements 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 19 and 20. This is the union of these two sets. It means this new set A complement union B complement contains all elements of both sets occurs only once. So we have to write and arrange them in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17 is missing. So we write it here as 16 and then 18, 19 and 20. Just like this set. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. By 1 and 2 we have left hand side is equal to right hand side. Implies A union B whole complement is equal to A complement union, this is intersection, A intersection B. So we can write here intersection A complement union B complement. It's okay now.